Hello, animal lovers, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we digging deep into the fascinating and often misunderstood world of one of nature's most peculiar architects, the armadillo. You might think you know these little armored critters, but trust me, there's so much more to them than meets the eye. So, what's the first thing that comes to mind when you hear armadillo? Probably that iconic bony shell, right? This isn't just one solid piece. It's a series of plates called scutes, made of bone, covered by a layer of keratin, the same stuff our fingernails are made of. This flexible armor allows them to curl up. But here's a fun fact. Out of the 21 species of armadillo, only the three-banded armadillo can actually roll into a perfect, impenetrable ball. For the others, their main defense is to either freeze, jump straight up in the air when startled, which is why they unfortunately have so many run-ins with cars or to make a quick escape. And how do they escape? By digging. Armadillos are master excavators. Their name literally means little armored one in Spanish, but I think little armored excavator would be more accurate. With their powerful legs and long, sharp claws, they can dig a burrow faster than you can say 9-banded armadillo. They don't just dig for safety, they dig for food. These guys are primarily insectivores, using their incredible sense of smell to sniff out beetles, ants, termites, and grubs buried deep underground. They can even smell insects up to 8 inches below the surface. Once they locate a tasty meal, their long, sticky tongue darts out to lap it up. Now, let's talk about their unusual lifestyle. Armadillos are mostly nocturnal or crepuscular, meaning they're most active at night, dawn, or dusk, especially during the hot summer months. This helps them avoid the heat and the daytime predators. They spend their days snoozing in the complex burrows they've dug, which can be up to 25 feet long and have multiple entrances. They're solitary creatures, generally preferring to live and forage alone. You won't find them hanging out in big groups. Here's something that really sets them apart in the animal kingdom: their reproductive strategy. The 9-banded armadillo, the most common species in North America, has a process called embryonic diapause. This means the female can delay the implantation of a fertilized egg for several months until conditions are just right. And when she finally does give birth, she almost always has a litter of identical quadruplets. That's right, 4 genetically identical clones. This is incredibly rare in the animal world and helps ensure the survival of their lineage. Did you know armadillos are also surprisingly good swimmers? They can hold their breath for up to 6 minutes. To cross narrow streams, they'll simply walk along the bottom. For wider bodies of water, they gulp air to inflate their stomachs and intestines, making them buoyant enough to paddle across like a little armored boat. Pretty ingenious, right? From their unique armor and incredible digging skills to their strange reproductive habits and surprising aquatic abilities, Armadillos are truly one of a kind. They are a vital part of their ecosystem, helping to control insect populations and aerate the soil with their constant digging. So the next time you see one scurrying across the yard at dusk, take a moment to appreciate the complex and secret life of this amazing little creature. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the world of armadillos. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more amazing animal facts. Drop a comment below and let me know what creature you'd like to see us cover next. Until then, stay curious.